Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set a stop loss on BullX. Now BullX doesn't have a specific stop loss option, but there are other options which you can use to manage your trades. We're going to go ahead to the left side on this pane where we have pump vision. We're going to select it, and on the graduated we're going to select one of the options right here. We're going to choose Ask Tradie, and right here we will see a graph we can use. So now we're going to go over to indicators and use the relative strength index. So here we have the relative strength index, and there are other options here, but we're just using this option as we can use it. So here on the relative strength index option, you can see the RSI on your trades here on BullX. Alternatively, you could go over to your portfolio and manually manage your assets to see your exposure or your profits. So these are the options available as an alternative to setting a stop loss or managing your trades on BullX.